When you think of a microscope in a biological laboratory, normally you think of an optical microscope. However, there are other microscopes that can also provide very useful information about cells and biological tissues. Among them, there is the atomic force microscope that instead of using light, it uses a very sharp tip to follow the surface topography of the sample. My name is Gabriel Gomila, and I am the coordinator of the SPM4 project. This is a doctoral network that has as objectives to train a new generation of researchers in the field of atomic force microscopy. Specifically, this project aims to produce atomic force microscopes which are able to perform their activities autonomously by using artificial intelligence. In this way, our objective is that the atomic force microscope one day could play a similar role as the optical microscope in biological laboratories, but also in clinical hospitals and also pharmaceutical clinics.